Alright, so this is going to be the 2025 1080p HD remake video of the 52-inch white Hunter Leighton ceiling fan, which is installed in the office at my house. I don't know when this was put up. I would say before we moved in, I would say. So, yeah. Alright, here goes the light. As you can see, the light bulb is working. Here's low speed. This is actually the best air mover in our house. Just like the one in the secondary dining room. This is actually the best air mover in the house. This fan right here. But my favorite fan is the Hunter Leighton in the living room because my favorite part of it is the blade arms. Here's medium. This is the speed that's on the most. This looks like the 4th speed on a Casablanca Lady Delta. It could be the 3rd speed like that or the 4th, I'm not sure. Definitely not 1st or 2nd. Or 5th or 6th. 5th or 6th will be fast. This is like 4th or 3rd or 4th. And here's high. This is the wobbler speed. Oh, medium is the wobbler speed. This fan is powerful. It is such a great fan. It does wobble the most on medium, but this is actually the best fan in our house. I thought it was the one in there, but I didn't know this blew much air. This is powerful. This is the best fan in the house. I'll turn it off by the switch. I think it was left like that before I started the video. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoy and stay tuned for more.